Hello and welcome. I am Deepal Shah. I'm a medical intuitive and a self-care expert, and I teach women all over the world who are very empathic. I teach them how to tap into their intuition and how to strengthen their intuition so that they can find purpose and meaning in their life. So many of the women that I work with have been through traumatic experiences, and sometimes we hold on to these trauma programs, and it's time to let them go. And if you will allow me, come join me in a free course that I'm offering. It's a masterclass to start you off in 2023 with spiritual health clearing. Now, if you go to bestholisticlife.com, you're going to find that there is a free offering where you can sign up for the free class on spiritual health clearing. It is taking place February 3rd at 11 a.m. Eastern, and it's an hour and a half, about an hour to an hour and a half, and I'm going to help guide you in a process of cleaning out your home of energetic debris. I hope you'll join me there. Again, it's bestholisticlife.com, and I'll see you there.